Welcome. If you're looking to update your password on Discord, you've come to the right place. Today I'll guide you through the steps to ensure your account remains secure. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the U icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Give that a tap and you'll be taken to your profile page. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings menu. Go ahead and tap that gear icon to open the settings. Next, scroll down and select Account. This is where you manage all your account-related tasks, including password updates. In the Account section, you'll find the option for Password. Tap on that to begin the password update process. Here, you'll need to enter your current password. This step is crucial for security, as it verifies that you're the one making the change. Once you've done that, it's time to set your new password. Make sure it's strong and unique to keep your account safe. After entering your new password, the final step is to tap Change Password. With that, you've successfully updated your password. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Regularly updating your password can help protect your account from unauthorized access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.